Here on Asoke Road, they are getting all the wires out, and these are the moments that you realize, okay, I better film it, because next year you wouldn't believe how this used to look, right? Good morning. I'm here at the end of Sukhumvit Soi 11, and I just noticed that they are doing some major upgrades here. You can see here in the street there are still some wires, but they are the new ones, the modern ones that they put in there. But they are removing a big part of the bundles that are a little bit further down the street. And this actually blocks the whole street here. So here you can see already what they took out. Today is a holiday, so this is a perfect day to do these upgrades. You know, it's almost like black spaghetti, right? The street is completely blocked. There's no way you can go through here now. So I'm back here in the end of Sukhumvit Soi 11, and they did a whole part of the street but not everything. So here you can see the difference of how it looks. So here you still have a part of the wiring, and this is how it looks afterwards. You see these modern poles, thinner wires. It looks like they have not really finished everything yet. Still in the process. I guess this is such a massive job to get all this wiring out here. Here in Sukhumvit Soi 15, you can see how they basically redo the wire. So it's not that they put everything underground, because that is quite complicated. You really have to dig up the whole street here. So you have these modern poles and a lot less wiring. But for example, here you still have an old bundle hanging. Yeah, but this looks a lot cleaner than how it used to be. And this is a massive project. You have to imagine a city like Bangkok where so many people live, and it has so many square meters, to get all the wires on the ground. And what they do is they put them underground on the big roads. Here on Sukhumvit Road, they already took the wires out a couple of years ago, and they are now beautifying the road by putting new light poles here. By the way, this is the new JLK office tower. But as you can see, it looks a lot clearer if you don't have all these wires hanging around. So they are installing the light poles here on Sukhumvit Road. On the other side of Sukhumvit Road, you can already see the light poles are working. So they fixed them already a couple of weeks ago. So first you remove the wires, try to put them on the ground, which they did here already a couple of years ago, and then put some nice lights. Yeah, this is actually a major beautification project of the city. Bangkok is changing. Here on Asoke Road, they are getting all the wires out. And these are the moments that you realize, okay, I better film it, because next year you wouldn't believe how this used to look, right? See all these bundles here. Yeah, a lot of people in Bangkok are always complaining about the wires on the street. And of course, it makes it look messy, but it's also a part of this charm. It's Sunday, so there's not too much traffic. This is also the reason why they are doing this kind of repair work. So I guess by next week this is all gonna be gone. I'm already getting nostalgic. And here you can really see the difference. So this is the new part. They are still in the middle of fixing it all. And here is how it used to be, and I guess they're gonna do it next week. Because they are doing this work all during the weekend. See, the new poles are already here, ready to be replaced. So on the other side already the wires have been removed quite a while ago, and they were replaced by modern poles. So I'm not sure what they are going to do here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the rewiring of Bangkok. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.